Oh, red light. Dang. Why? Why? Heat wave. We're going through a heat wave. Welcome back to the channel, and today is a red warning from the Met Office for extreme heat here in London. So we're up into the upper 30s Celsius in terms of temperature, and yes, some of you viewers who live in parts of the United States or in Australia or in India or Brazil may think, whatever, that's nothing, right? But here doesn't have, the UK, London, does not have infrastructure suitable for these temperatures. The road surfaces are not made for the temperatures. They can melt and become soft. The ventilation, the insulation is made to keep cold out and heat in. The electric grid, the NHS expects surges in cases in the winter, not in the summer, so they're not really prepared to deal with a surge in heat exhaustion and heat stroke and sunburn and whatever. So it's suboptimal, let's put it that way. Anyway, we're trying a slightly different route to get home today, as recommended by Waze. I've done this route before a while ago, but given the time of day, I thought I'd try this. It's supposed to be a little bit shorter, and hopefully there won't be as much traffic. So I'll be able to keep moving and not get stuck with no ventilation. We will see. Soon find out, won't we? So the route's supposed to be a little bit shorter as well in distance. Usually I don't take it because it may be shorter in distance, but because of the speeds and traffic, it takes a longer time. But at this time I've waited until after 7 o'clock in the evening to travel, and it's still bloody warm and humid. I mean, Waynetta here is showing 41 Celsius, but as we all know, that temperature gauge is a liar. So it's probably about 36, 37. How'd you guys like this route? British Museum is just over there. Bloomsbury. Huh?
Too many clothes.
No, it's fine. It's smashed. It lets the air through. It lets all the wind through. But if I fall down, it's protected, right? My skin is not very good against the road. So what else have I done to cope with the heat? Usual, all the gear all the time for me. But I've dispensed with the shirt. I put that in the bag, put it in the top box, so it's just my vest and the mesh jacket. Oh, I'm getting a bit of breeze now. Okay, we can go on this bus line. We're past 7 PM. See, 7 AM till 7 PM. We're past 7 PM. We can use this. Gotta read the signs. Gotta read the signs. I had plenty of fluids before I left the office, and the wee-wee. So it should be comfortable until I get home, and then I can have a nice cooling shower. I do feel sorry for the guys who have been out doing deliveries and couriering all day. It must be hell to have to do that through all the traffic in the heat. So I can understand them maybe not using all the gear all the time. You make your own judgment and your own calls and your own decisions on your personal safety. In my circumstances, I prefer to wear all the gear. I am talking while the lights are red again, and I should only really talk when we are moving. I mean, it's relatively okay for me. I'm kind of privileged. I only have to ride to work and then stop and park it in the garage, and then I can go into a nice air-conditioned office. It's the people who do deliveries and especially the courier riders, people on motorcycles out all day long, going from place to place, stuck in traffic, stuck in the heat, that I feel sorry for. And I understand if they wish to not wear all of the protective gear. It's a call that everybody kind of has to make for themselves, depending on their circumstances and what's going to keep them healthy during the riding. Sometimes it's just too hot if you're going to be out all day, and if you start getting heat exhaustion, then that's going to impact your concentration levels, and that's going to have a knock-on effect into your safety. So again, as I said, it's an individual risk assessment and call. I'm fortunate enough to be able to wear all of my protective gear, to be able to afford all of my protective gear. Not everybody is in the same situation, and people in different parts of the world riding different gear, and they have different perceptions of risk. It's not one rule, one size fits all. The short and vest brigade are out. And now that the air is flowing through, it's so nice. Where's the ambulance going? Is it coming this way? No. Okay, good. We're in a 20, dude. There's a red light right there. Anyway, yeah, so as you can see now, there's the bike shed, and I usually come this way, and now I'm going home that way. So the rest of this you know, just maybe in reverse order. So at the moment Waynata's showing me 44 Celsius, and since she overreads by about at least 7 Celsius most of the time, I'm going to say it's about 37 and a bit muggy. So with that, I will leave you. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy this. Another hot day in London, another hot Himalayan. No Keeways today, I'm afraid. Can't always book that at short notice. Alright my friends, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've been enjoying the channel. We've been doing a little bit of a mixture. Some videos are Kawasaki Z1000 touring in the country. Some videos are here on the Himalayan doing some urban stuff. If you like that sort of content, please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And if you're watching this video, whether you like it or not, please interact with it, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I hope to see you in the next one, and I hope to see some comments down below, asking me questions or making comments or criticizing anything. And other than that, I'll see you in the next one, and for now it's Noob out. Mighty Himalayan. Oh, sorry, unsafe to stop.